Says the gallery was closing, noting as she passed him that tears welled in his eyes. And turning she called softly, "Why, sir, you are the painter. Why then are you grieving? Are your dreams not realized?" She said, "God will be kind to the poets and the painters. God will be kind to those who used his mind. God will be kind to the poets and the painters. God will be kind to thee." "Madam," he proceeded, "it's indeed my exhibition. Pictures you admire I have painted through the years. But only now I see that as I look upon their faces, the promise of my youth, it does hold me insincere." She said, "God will be kind to the poets and the painters. God will be kind to those who used his mind. God will be kind to the poets and the painters. God will be kind to thee." God looks down and laughs at me. Still God looks down and laughs at me. Once I was enamored of the muse that he had sent me. I delighted in her courting and worked unceasingly. I was feted and I was flattered, but by degrees unfaithful. I didn't even notice when she deserted me. And she said, "God will be kind to the poets and the painters. God will be kind to those who used his mind. God will be kind to the poets and the painters. God will be kind to thee." God looks down and laughs at me. Still God looks down and laughs at me. She said, "God will be kind to the poets and the painters. God will be kind to those who used his mind. God will be kind to the poets and the painters. God will be kind to thee."